indeed.
We play some?
Condoms? Yeah, that's all we got.
Nice.
Sounds like a plan. That's why they made these. They had these in part DC, as people would pick them up and they would never set them down.
Yeah.
I'm serious. It was the first addiction.
So here is our experiment table. We've got aluminum cans. And we have sandpaper. We're getting all the color off of the aluminum, all the paint. And then we're going to make hydrogen fire. It's going to be badass. Do we have enough already dusted, or should we fold up some more? And
We can fold up some more, but let me tell you what I'm going to do here. What I got here is, I don't know, we got that much water. It's a 1 gallon container, so that's like a 1/10 of a gallon?
yeah.
1/10 of a gallon. I don't particularly like this brand. I'd rather use Red Devil, because this is tainted with cadmium, I believe. I'm not sure.
Red Devil Lie is just pure lie.
Red Devil Eye is better. You can get this in California because people don't want to use this to make drugs.
Oh. Well, yeah, because it would not be good.
And the way I do it, they come with the same size caps. I measure my stuff in caps. Make myself a little funnel.
Into the 1/10 of a gallon?
Yeah, into the 1/10 of a gallon of water. And this is just like cold water from the tap.
Okay. Is this going to make a reaction when it does
Humboldt
this?
water. Yes, it's going to make a reaction. It's going to get warm and make a little bit
Of gas.
of a hydroxide gas.
A hydrogen gas or just hydrogen?
You know, I can't say what the gas is. It's like a sodium type gas.
But you probably shouldn't breathe it.
Yeah, you know what?
Is it going to come out of the top?
It's real.
How hot does it get? Can I touch it?
It's going to warm up here a little bit. That's like 1/10 of a gallon and 1 cap.
You know, this reminds me of a bong idea I had, where you put magnets in the bottom and like LED lights in there, and the magnet spins and makes a vortex.
There you go, a magnetic spinner.
Yeah, that would be the coolest bong, you know.
Well, let's put 2 caps.
2 caps. Now, should I have? Do I need to do this more, or do you just need to scratch through it so it can start a reaction?
That'll probably react.
Okay. As long as it gets to raw aluminum.
Yeah.
This one too, I did it all the way, and then I rolled it into a spiral because I think it'll give it.
And remember, this stuff is harmful. It's caustic.
Yeah. What's drain cleaner?
It's organic.
Don't touch your eyes.
Decomposing.
Go wash your hands before you touch your eyes.
And blindness is you know, it's been around forever. Hardly anybody's ever gotten hurt off of it. So.
But if you like poured this in your face.
Yeah, you don't want to pour this in your face.
Right.
And be careful. It'll get you really clean. It'll raise your sodium level in your body. And sodium is an electrolyte.
Yeah.
And so for a while there, it's like things get really clear, you know, and your thoughts are really hardwired.
Oh, shit.
Because you got a little more electrolyte in your system.
So now we get a condom.
Actually, this changes my pH. The older you get, your pH, we come into life like 7.4, and we go to 6.8 like by the time we're 20. This will put you back up to 7.4.
How much of that?
It's just handling it. It's just being around it.
Oh, okay.
What I'm doing, I'm getting on my skin. When I go to wash my hands off, I'll feel the thickness, and it's already getting into.
Is it kind of slimy?
Yeah, it's kind of slimy.
Because it's an alkali, right? Base?
Yeah. Okay, what have we got cleaned here?
That one. And I think you cleaned this one, didn't you? So I open up a condom.
Well, it usually takes like a minute or so before it actually starts to react. Oh, well, this one, see, it's already bubbling. Okay.
And then put a rubber band.
Sure.
Well, you don't even need a rubber band because the condom comes with a rubber band.
Yeah, built-in rubber band.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow. Look at it all foamy bubbling. Oh, and look at this. Condom is inflating. It is funny. This is going to be a funny experiment.
This reaction is 150 degrees.
150
I haven't had a
degrees.
bottle break on me, and I haven't ever done one under pressure. But this is going to etch the glass.
Etch it.
Yeah, and so because the glass has sodium in it, silicon. And
Ah,
sodium reacts with silicon.
Erect.
this is funny.
We have.
Liftoff.
You don't want to put a match to that one.
No.
But we are going to.
What's in there?
A hydrogen. And
Hydrogen.
I'm making aluminum oxide.
Is it
Which is-
collecting at the bottom? Is it
Aluminum
constant?
oxide is the hardest known molecule.
We can make a house out of this, I'm sure.
Yeah, and it's also a ceramic material. So I can make my flutes out of this, and it'll be the hardest known flute.
That'd be so sick.
Yeah,
we should leave some of those in a cave somewhere, Steve.
Yeah, it,
In a
it might be
box.
10,000 years of love.
Yeah, we should write that on. Steve the Alchemist and Wizard. Man, this is so cool.
I think it's beautiful, man.
Yeah, you
My-
kept yourself warm in the forest with this, didn't you?
Yeah, I heated my tent with it. I made 300 pounds of pressure with 10 cans and a 5-gallon pressurized bubble reactor. It was 3/8 inch carbon steel wall circular.
And you've used these wine bottles before, right? For
No,
this?
well, actually, I used pickle bottles. It was pickle
Ah,
jars.
oh,
This is
yeah.
the first time I used.
This is a good neck for this,
Yeah,
though.
So how did you heat your tent? Or how did you heat?
I turned it into gas and shot it out of tube. It was actually like almost a 1/4 inch tube, a big hole, and made a flame about 3 feet. And heated
just
my
turn-
tin up in about 3 seconds. It was pretty cool. And then I made my coffee with it, and you know. heated
Hey,
my
so Steve, if I held
mushroom soup.
a lighter or like a stick that was on fire, and you threw this at me, and I was holding it, and it caught on fire, it's just gonna get me wet, right?
Yeah.
That would be cool. Can we film that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I can throw it at you if it's just gonna like float.
Oh, because it's lighter than air.
Yeah, maybe if I tie a rock to it and throw it at you or something.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I'll try to stab it. Or something. Maybe you could just push it towards me.
What's in there? Vinegar and aluminum?
No. Lye, water, and aluminum.
Lye, water, and aluminum. Sodium hydroxide.
So I want to touch some of this
This is
because I
called
want to.
sodium hydroxide when
wanna
it's
touch
dry,
some. What do we-
but this is a sodium hydroxy solution. And the why it changes from hydroxide to hydroxy is because when you put it in a solution, you can't tell one molecule from another molecule, and that's why that's my reason for the change. This is a solid and a powder, and you can actually
it's warm.
pick out a single molecule, but you can't pick out a single molecule from that.
No, it's just water. H2O.
And water is that way.
Hey, look, the paint is coming all off of this, and it's floating around the edge, the blue and the red. Oh, I should be
So-
focusing through the camera.
What's gonna happen?
Well,
And feel the heat.
we're making a hydrogen
See,
bomb.
this is
No, I'm just joking.
no, we are, man. If you lit that, you would something would happen. I guarantee you.
Well, I can see. Look, it's like.
But it gets up to 150 degrees. The reason I know is when my friend had one of them laser temperature things, so I know all my temperatures.
Cool.
I love technology, man.
Me too.
Matter of fact, I wouldn't be able to do this for a lot of things, man. I had that laser pointer for one thing, which made me feel a lot more comfortable. And I had some nice tools when the universe first put this in front of me. I did it so much. I was on that organic farm in Colorado that it's like I'd pick fruit all day and then do hydrogen all night. And on weekends when I didn't have to pick fruit, it's all hydrogen, man. I would take a 55-gallon barrel and put a 30-gallon barrel inside it upside down and fill it full of water and make this water trap. And that's how I captured my first hydrogen.
Yeah.
And I ran a generator off that.
Yeah.
Burn the generator up, because once they got all that carbon build up, the hydrogen burns that carbon off real fast and it burns them out. But it's just, the rings just dissolve.
How would you stop that from happening?
You buy a motor that's never been run on gasoline.
Yeah.
Because it's the carbon buildup that caused that.
Okay, yeah. So, if I did touch my face after I touch this lye, it feels like it's burning.
Does it?
It could be my imagination, but right here it feels like it's burning.
Yeah.
Placebo.
Yeah. It might be.
Do I put water on, or should I put vinegar on it? Vinegar is how you stop lye from burning you,
Yeah.
because it's acidic.
That's right.
So if you pour water on it, you're just making the reaction more. But if you put vinegar on lye, it stops it from burning. Because it neutralizes, it counteracts, correct?
Yeah.
I learned that in Fight Club.
I hadn't thought about that. I never.
So if you ever get a lye burn, make sure you have vinegar available.
You know, you see, that's it. I've handled a lot, and I'm not the cleanest person in the world. And look, everything, no scars, no burn,
Really?
both eyes,
Both eyes. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
arms, legs.
Yeah. Did you see it's shooting out smoke rings right here?
Oh,
Isn't that badass?
Oh yeah. Oh, cool.
Look at this smoke ring machine we made. Never mind. So this is brought to you by 10,000 Years of Love, or 1,000 Years of Love, 10,000 Years of Love. I like 10,000 Years of Love. That sounds way better.
Yeah. This is the future 10,000 years of love process. Because once we refine our planet in this way, what happened is we've taken raw earth, bauxite, and we put a whole bunch of energy to make it into aluminum.
Yeah.
Then I'm turning it back into its original form, bauxite, in the most purified form. And that purified form, most perfect ceramic material, meaning we can just mold it anything, like the way we make our flutes. And I'm going to make flutes out of this. But I'm also going to make cylinders that hold 5,000 pounds of compressed air.
Yeah, so-
compressed atmosphere.
so we can build a flying
and
machine.
That's how we're going to transfer our energy. I'll make our energy from our metals and volcanoes, but to get it to you will be in cylinders. And the way we use it when we go camping, or it'll be our fuel tanks, our batteries.
Yeah.
And it's perfectly clear because we're just using our atmosphere. No more battery waste or chemical pollutions. You know?
Yeah.
It's and we can go further with this. I can make rubies out of this byproduct. I can make a luminescent piezoelectric, pyroelectric, and luminescent crystals from this. I can make, I think it's called Xenex, a molecule that separates the oxygen out of the atmosphere. They use it for breathing machines. It's one of the most expensive molecules. It's right up there with cocaine. I can make that out of this. And I know how, and that's going to be one of the very first things I make out of my byproduct is that molecule.
How do you collect your byproduct from this? It's just what's left.
I'll pour the liquid off and dry it, then wash it to get the sodium washed out of it, dry it, and like that. This is good.
Could we use...
Beer can, it's contaminated. I'm not even going to try it with this.
Right.
But once I use a pure aluminum,
Yeah.
then I have a pure byproduct, then we'll start making we'll turn into whatever we want.
So if I went to a metal shop and picked up
I think I'm gonna make
aluminum
my
flake
teeth first.
teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I'm down with that. Can I put designs on them?
Absolutely.
That'd be best. We should make a couple sets for you.
Ah,
That'd be bitchin'. You'd be blinging, dude.
bling it.
We could put rubies in it, dude.
Yeah, really.
Fuck yeah.
Bluetooth.
Fuck yeah, dude. Let's do that.
You can see yourself on the camera inside the other tooth.
Dude, that would be so cool.
That'd be funny.
That would be the coolest thing ever.
This dude has
Look
a
at this
camera,
balloon.
This
Or
dude
look at
has
this
the big
condom.
screen on it.
So yeah, and let's also make magic pendants with these rubies and garnets and stuff
You
too.
got it, dude. You got it.
All right, I'm stoked. We will create a laboratory, and we will become alchemists,
we can
dude.
conceive it. We can achieve it.
Yeah,
That's
totally.
just it. It's about, ascension, achieving. These flutes, these alluses are going to be in the shape of A, and they're going to represent that.
Achievement.
Achieving and ascending. Every time we do something, we are more because we did something. So
Yeah.
do something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
It's about doing something.
Yeah.
These bodies want to be used.
Totally.
You know what I
Totally,
mean? Don't
yeah.
sit there. You know what I mean? You want to live.
I do.
Just like living, you know?
Yeah, yeah, totally. Well, when I'm walking around, I'll go see if I can scrape up aluminum files from a metal shop or something.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Maybe we go to the college and go to their workshop.
Buzz from this, man. I can feel the electrolytes because I'm so used to my electrolyte being so much higher, and I think that's why I've been drained lately. Is I haven't done any reactions for like a month, and so all the sodium washed out of my body in 3 days. You know.
Thank you.
It's foxy,
and
dude.
my pH went down to 6 again. I bet you.
6:15. So you're feeling it slow.
Yeah.
Without electrolytes, man.
This and reishi mushrooms, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
And
So,
clay.
so when we're gonna turn the garage into an experiment lab still, and we should, after we make rubies and all this stuff. Let's use all this funds that we make out of all this stuff we trade or whatever. Let's trade up and let's build a flying machine.
Okay.
And a hydrogen powered flying machine. Because I don't want to drive anywhere. I want to go visit my mom by flying.
I want to fly too. I don't want to walk or I want to drive. I
Yeah.
wanna fly.
And if the garage is an adequate space, the universe will provide a workshop.
And I have a feeling it'll be really fast.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know?
Fast. And we have all the computer science to make all the other stuff work.
Everything that man has done, we're going to take advantage of.
Totally.
What?
So how much longer will this reaction last?
Really?
I didn't make it very strong.
No, okay.
It looks like there's still some aluminum in there. But the thing is, the catalyst, it does the work and then returns to its original form. In this case, it looks a lot dirtier, but it's still there. So we just keep adding aluminum and water. We don't have to add more of this to achieve that same reaction. But the next reaction, I'll add another cap to boost the speed up and make it a little more. We clean up some more aluminum, man, and really fill one up. You know what I mean?
Okay. I was gonna say, with some of this, do you think we could pour it down my drain and fix my clogged drain upstairs?
Dude, the shower's clogged. The shower drain's clogged.
Yeah, we already did. I'll fix it. What clogged drain you talking about?
In the bathroom, both the drains are clogged. Oh, you did?
Yeah, like 2 days
You're
ago.
super pimp, dude. I didn't notice. I just saw it one day. It was clogged.
I broke like the 4th flute in a row, man. I had to take it out on something. So I grabbed that plunger, and it's clean.
Thank you. I appreciate that, Steve. You're a badass.
There's 5 broken flutes there.
I know. Sad.
Hey, man. You gotta miss a shot to make one sometimes. You don't have to, but I did.
I like how it shoots little smoke rings. So I'm stoked about making rubies and sapphires.
Yeah, if you want, man, we can go ahead and tie this up, put a piece of toilet paper and blow it up.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. And this is just going to be releasing hydrogen gas?
Yeah, well, let's just make water, and it won't even be that loud in here. It's a small, under not that much pressure.
Should we put this outside?
But,
This?
don't you got another, well...
Oh, we could put another condom on it, yeah.
Or,
Why not? Let's catch all this that we can. That just makes too much sense. Why waste it?
because this probably has air in it. Because you put it on before we purged. You didn't let me purge it.
Oh, yeah. Word. I didn't...
If it has air in it, it's just going to explode, and so I can't really make a torch out of it.
Oh.
That thing seems to hurt the tires. Let's see if it floats.
Nice.
Just barely. See, look, we don't even hardly have nothing to make it float.
So it's no good?
No, we can still blow it up.
Nice. I have a lighter right here.
Which color is it?
Doesn't matter.
Kind of.
Steve's lighter.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you got
Wait, let me go to the other side. My battery's about to die on this. So it's perfect. Alright, Steve. Woo!
too loud.
Would have
I
been
told you
crazy
we'd
if
get
it broke
some
all the windows.
Is it warmer in here?
Yeah, it is warmer. And it just turned to water and hit the ground. That was
Yes,
cool.
Turn to water.
That was beautiful. Awesome. Well,
Science class.